Finance Team role. The Finance Team is a role that comes pre-configured as part of the Finance module. This means that users within the system can be assigned to Finance Team Group. As a result, any tasks assigned to the Finance Team will appear in the My Tasks Active or My Tasks All view in the tasks list for that user. This allows the Finance Team to easily have visibility of all their tasks, and anyone within the team can pick up the tasks as they come in. Adding a user to the Finance Team. To add a user to the Finance Team, follow these steps. Navigate to the Users and Groups table by clicking System, Settings, and then Users and Groups. Select the users you want to add to the Finance Team, then click Add Principals to Group, and then click Finance Team. Removing a user from the Finance Team. To remove a user from the Finance Team, follow these steps. Navigate to the Users and Groups table by clicking System, Settings, then Users and Groups. Select the Finance Team group. Navigate to the Members tab. Select the users you want to remove from the Finance Team and then click Remove Principals from Group.